Hello everyone, we are here again with Mr.G.
我是 Ronny 老师，现在我们要跟大家分享一下如何用手机编辑视频。
Okay, so we just need our phone to edit videos. The application that we are going to use is KineMaster. I may be right that some of you have been familiar with this application. And let me tell you that the advantage of using this application is it's easy to use, it has a good user interface and enhanced performance features. So it's really cool to use KineMaster for your simple video editing with good results.
好的，我们现在开始吧。首先，我们打开 Google Play Store， 然后下载 KineMaster APP。下载了之后，我们安装 KineMaster， 最后打开 KineMaster。这是我们 KineMaster 的第一页。
Okay, here we can see the menu of create new if you want to make a new project. And if you want to use the template from the application, you can use the get project menu. And now we are going to create a new project. Laoshi, can we start?
好的，接下来我们写我们的视频名字。Mr.G 在下面有什么呢？
Okay, after writing the name of our new project, we'll see the aspect ratio menu. We are going to choose which form of our video based on our needs. You can take a ratio of 16:9 if you choose the video for a YouTube post. Okay, and you may choose a ratio 1:1 for an IG post, for example. Now we are going to use 16:9 for a YouTube post standard. Okay, Laoshi?
OK， 现在我们进入了我们自己的 project， 在左边在右边有一些功能。第一 ，media； 第二 ，audio； 第三 ，record； 第四 ，layer。然后我们要把视频放在这个 project， 我们选 media。
Okay, after choosing this one, okay, automatically we'll go to the gallery of our device where we'll take the video or picture for our editing project.
在这里有两个视频，老师要把两个视频放在我们的 project。
Okay, now our video have moved to this position. Yes, here. So it's time for us to edit video. Okay, Laoshi?
OK， 接下来我们要剪短视频。在视频中，我们可能有不需要视频的部分。首先，我们选想要删掉的视频，然后我们选剪到的图片。
Oh, okay. After you click the scissors symbol, we can see this menu. Trim to left of playhead. Then trim to right of playhead. Split at playhead and split and insert freeze frame.
因为老师不想用视频后面的部分，老师要删掉它，我们选 trim to right of playhead。
Okay. Okay. Now we have cut the right part of the video, then we are going to do the next part of our edit project. What's next, Laoshi?
接下来我们要调整视频的速度。
Okay, Laoshi. Maybe you want to ask why we need to make it slower or even faster. Okay, it will happen because we want to keep showing our full video without trimming or cutting it, even though it has long duration. So we'll use this speed menu.
首先，我们选择要加速的视频。 按它，在这里我们可以选择我们想要的速度。比如说，老师选快1.5倍。
Okay, 1.5 speed. Okay, here we can see the speed has changed in our video. And the next session is how to mute the video sound. Okay, also for the next session, we are going to mute video sound because sometimes we don't need the original sounds of our video.
OK，我们要把视频的声音去除，怎么弄呢？我们选 volume。
Okay, just click the sound icon and mute it. Okay, 老师。Okay, yes.
OK，接下来在视频里我们能加上背景的声音。首先我们选想要加声音的视频。
Okay,
然后选 audio。
Oh, okay then. Okay, we'll see the page and yes. Then we'll see the page and you may choose the audio from the application or you may take the audio from your device.
在这里，老师已经准备了一首歌，然后我们选它，然后按加的按钮。
Okay. Okay, we can see here the music audio has been added to our video.
OK，接下来我们选想要的 transition effect。这里老师选 presentation， 然后选一个 effect。
Okay. We have added a transition effect, so we'll see the transition between the two videos. Then the next, we are going to put the image and text. Okay, Lasa? Yes. Okay, then the next, Lasa.
OK，
Yeah, then
我们往左脚，在这里有3点的按钮，按它，然后选择 duplicate。
Okay. Then we place the red pointer before the video at point 00. Then choose the layers.
首先我们选 layer， 然后呢按 text。 我们写这个视频的标题。
Okay. And then we can adjust the text. Okay, we can adjust the text size into larger or smaller. Just drag the corner of the text box.
如果我们已经编辑好这个视频，然后我们想保存它，怎么弄呢 ，Mr.G？
Okay, Lasha. To save the video, just click the icon in the upper right corner of this page. Okay. Then we can choose the resolution, then click save.
我们保存好了以后，现在我们要看我们已经做好的视频。
Okay. Okay, let's see the example of the video. This is the video that we have tried to make a tutorial. Yeah, very simple video. Okay, Lausa, we've tried to make a very basic tutorial for video editing using KineMaster. Okay, you may explore all features more from this application for the best result for your video editing project. Is that right, Lausa?
是的，好的，我们就到这里，谢谢大家，再见。
Okay, thank you everyone. See you.